everyone! Today, I'm excited to share my experience of unboxing one of the bags from Shein with you. So, let's dive right in. First off, we have this stunning pink faux leather tote bag, which is simply gorgeous. The first thing I noticed upon opening it was the tag, a cool feature that I always appreciate. The bag itself is also fantastic, with beautiful stitching and a super handy zipper pocket at the front. Now, let's take a look at the inside. This bag is absolutely massive. It's perfect for carrying everything you need for your day, from your laptop and gym clothes to your makeup bag and purse. There are even two separate compartments on either side for added organization. But wait, there's more. In addition to this awesome bag, I also got some trendy face masks and a comfy hoodie that are just too cute to resist. These masks have such unique designs that you could rock them any day of the week, while the hoodie is so comfortable that you might just want to wear it all day long. So there you have it, folks, a peek into my Shein unboxing experience. If you're interested in checking out these items or any other Shein finds, be sure to follow me on Instagram at AshleyMadeUp. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.